In the days of the 21st century, more than half the world's population lives in cities. Infrastructure problems as a consequence and the fact that the average age of the population increases require new approaches for urban planning to assure economic vitality and quality of life in cities. To clarify the competitive advantage of a new model of innovation that draws on Central Europe's common cultural heritage to strengthen territorial cohesion, promote internal integration, and enhance competitiveness through reciprocal learning and partnership building are the aims of Central European Living Labs for Territorial Innovation.
The Living Labs approach is about engaging, not only involving the end users and especially the normal people in the process of design and development and validation of new products and services. In this case, it is about engaging people, engaging citizens in the co-creation of new policies and good practices for territorial development as well as ICT innovation.
In the framework of the international seminar, Living Labs and Smarter Cities as Drivers of Innovation, representatives of the initiative discuss the possible fields of application and the potential of these innovative approaches. 10 project partners from 8 EU countries participated in a mutual exchange of ideas aimed at providing new thoughts for a more efficient use of Living Labs, as well stimulating new national and international projects.
The main aim of Centralab project is actually to support the innovation with the process of Living Lab approach. Centralab project, the overall value is about 3.1 million euros. The project is funded by European Union, ERDF fund, especially the Central Europe Territorial Cohesion Program. The project started in the May of 2011 and it will last for 3 years until the April of 2014. E-Institute is a coordinator of the project. This means that we coordinate actually partnership of 10 different partners from 8 countries of the project. The main aim of E-Institute is to support the national strategies, especially strategies connected with the environment. This means sustainable development, and on the other hand, strategies connected with the innovation. And we focus on different projects with which we want to support the national strategies. So we actually implement right now 14 different projects on the innovation and on the sustainable development field.
E-Institute deals with the thematic field of energy. This means the pilot project and its development will be focused on energetic management. That's why also the name of the pilot is multi-utility management, because till now monitoring of the natural resources like electricity, water, gas, these management solutions are known, but possibilities of new ICT solutions has been recognized, and so we would like to mix this and within our project to prepare some kind of multi-utility management tool which will be divided on 2 layers.
Cyber Forum, a host of international seminar Karlsruhe and a Centralab partner, is one of the biggest and fastest growing IT networks in Germany and part of the biggest software clusters in Europe.
Our project aims at ameliorating usability within IT projects, especially for small and medium-sized companies. Problem is at the moment that usability testing is very expensive. So if you're an SME and you're developing, let's say, a software, a mobile app or a website, you know at the end of your development if the usability is good or not. And for the SMEs it's much more important to involve the users at an early stage of the project to get the best usability that is possible to.
Corvino Technology Transfer Center, a spin-off company of the Corvinus University of Budapest, possesses a unique combination of innovation, management, and technical expertise. In accordance with the Centralab Living Laboratories, Corvino will explore the waste management field.
The core objective is to create a living lab starting in Hungary and then maybe become transnational in waste management. It's quite a huge topic, so with experts we decided to define more specific topics, and we started our first workshops in two specific domains. One is eco-design and the other is waste heat reusal.
The Piedmont region is a local authority located in northwestern Italy with more than 4 million inhabitants. It hosts international standing education facilities, research capacities, and competency centers.
We can say in a very precise way which will be the final main goal or topic of our e-health, since we have just had our first regional workshop and we have raised a lot of interest from our stakeholders. So we have different topics to be concentrated on and to work on, and we actually don't know really which sub-theme of e-health we will concentrate our effort in the pilot action.
The University of Maribor provides outstanding conditions for regional development in Slovenia and is also active in various kinds of international cooperation. The Faculty of Organizational Sciences has a more than 50-year tradition in education and today provides a variety of Bologna programs.
Our pilot will be focused to the sustainable tourism in Gorenjska region. Gorenjska region has a very beautiful nature, mountains, forests and lakes, and quite a wide range of domestic offer. With the Living Lab approach, we would like to connect all the stakeholders, meaning the Association of Tourism, tourists, tourism agencies, those who are generating the offer on one side, and on the other side, of course, we would like to get the user feedback information, so all involved stakeholders will gain some additional information, and offer will be able to be better at the end.
The Czech Center for Science and Society is an association of high-tech SMEs, the public administration, and research organizations. It is focused on international activities in the field of international research projects and utilization of modern technologies.
And the main target of this pilot is to create some searching system of existing education materials focused on environment and its protection, and will be interconnected with some metadata system. We cooperate with producer of metadata system, it's cut, so maybe we use this system. So one part is some searching system of existing education materials, and the second part is to create or to develop some new materials specific for this project.
The University of Applied Science, Vorarlberg, has a proven track record in creating solutions with over 100 companies and organizations worldwide, and in acquiring extensive funding grants. The university has gladly provided solutions for SMEs as well as for world-class companies.
Well, our pilot is about mobility, and we have there a company in Vorarlberg, the Vorarlberg region, which is the local electricity provider, and there we are trying to establish with them a pilot about mobility with electric cars. And the background there is that we had a project running with them, and they installed this electric car initiative which they call V-Lotte, and they provide for the public villages and cities, and also for private people, these electric cars. They, for example, provide you support for buying them or for renting them and so on. And so what we like to do there in this objective is to find new innovations, how we could include the people into this V-Lotte project by our partner there, the VKW, which is the local electricity provider.
The Technical University of Košice has 9 faculties and is a driver of ICT innovation and development in the Slovakia region. Their research projects focus on business networking, socio-economic analysis of ICT impact, e-business, web technologies, logistics, and e-government.
We try to put together procurers, solution providers, also end users as mayors. We want to create some platform for them to share the knowledge, to bring the new ideas, to speed up this process and to make this process more effective.
By all these thematic pilots, Centralab is expected to improve the climate for innovation in all participant regions and to enable them to make better and smarter use of their innovation potential. There is, in fact, an increasing consensus among researchers and policymakers that the current technology-driven approach of most innovation actions needs to be complemented with a focus on territorial and regional development. And the Living Lab model will add significant effectiveness from its application across the cultural, socioeconomic, and normative differences characterizing the different Central European regions. To learn more about the progress of the Centralab pilots and their impact on EU regional programming and transnational cooperation policies, the official project website can be contacted at www.centralivinglab.eu.